Kids, let's begin our lesson. We have a new friend joining us today. He is the Health Guardian. He will recommend nutritious dishes that are delicious and healthy. I am the Health Guardian. Kids, let's learn about healthy diet together. Guardian, what should I eat? Let me check it out. According to your condition, rice and meat are recommended. Rice and meat can provide you with strength. Pineapple rice. Cut the pineapple first. Rice could give us energy. Steam the pineapple rice. Eating rice, fruit, and vegetables enables you to gain strength. Steak. Beef can provide us with lots of energy. Let's make the steak sauce first. Then brush the sauce to make it tasty. Having eggs every day makes you healthier. Tap on the pan to turn the steak over. Tap on the pan to turn the steak over. Tap on the pan to turn the steak over. Eating beef protects the body against the bad bacteria. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. So yummy. Guardian, what should I eat? Leave this problem to me. According to your condition, fruit and vegetables are recommended. Lots of fruit and vegetables help you keep oral health. Vegetable soup. Tomato. Carrot. Broccoli. Tomato is very healthy food. Take the tomatoes out. Slide to cut the ingredients. Eating more carrots can make your eyes brighter. Slide to cut the ingredients. Broccoli is rich in vitamins. It's good for our health. Drag the tap to rinse the broccoli. Let's see. What should we add to the pot? More fresh vegetables will freshen your breath. Fruit and oatmeal smoothie. Watermelon. Grape. Pear. Watermelon is sweet and juicy. It's your good friend in summer. Grapes are rich in vitamins as well. Pear is refreshing and tasty. Slide to cut the ingredients. Oatmeal is nutrient-dense food. Let's see what needs to be added to the oatmeal. yummy mixture of fruit, oatmeal, and yogurt keeps you healthy. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. So delicious! Guardian, what should I eat? Let me check it out. According to your condition, these two kinds of food are recommended. Fruit and vegetables enable you to poop easily. Fruit and yogurt salad. Grape. Pear. Banana. Grapes are rich in vitamins as well. Pear is refreshing and tasty. Slide to cut the ingredients. Banana enables you to poop easily and prevents getting fat. Slide to cut the ingredients. Lettuce enables you to poop easily, and it is also rich in vitamin C. A cup of yogurt a day keeps you healthy and fit. Juicy and sweet fruits will sweeten your smile. Mashed potatoes with corned beef. Delicious potato can give us energy. Slide to cut the ingredients. Steam the potatoes first. Let's mash the potatoes. Corn is indeed healthy food. Drag the scissor to slice the beef. Potatoes could refill your energy. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. joining us today. He is the Health Guardian. He will recommend nutritious cooking parties.